Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to do a deep clean of your Redmi Note 14 Pro. So deep clean will basically scan your phone and will tell you what to clean up. So example, apps which you never use or apps which are open in the background, however, you do not use it. So to turn on deep clean, go ahead and open up security. From here, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see deep clean. As you can see, before it starts, you can see how much is occupied of your full storage space on your phone. So to go ahead and tap on deep clean, now let this analyze the space on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. Now as it reads, it's basically stating there is 14% of occupied storage. So if you scroll down, it'll tell you some actions to take. So you can uninstall 40 rarely used apps. Go ahead and tap on this and this will show you all the rarely used apps. Some of these apps have already been installed from Redmi Note. So you can go ahead and go through the list and uninstall them. You can clear the apps for the data for 7 apps. You can also delete 6 unnecessary photos. So by taking these 3 steps, you can basically free up 6 gig of storage space on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on deep clean on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.